In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you really quickly how to delete a project in Canva. So I'm in a project right now, or you could be on the home page. If you're in a project, in the upper left, you've got this menu, and you can go home, or you can see all designs right here. So click that, it'll skip ahead. You can see all the designs, or if you're on the home screen, on the left-hand side, you're going to see projects. And so we click on projects, and see all designs should have taken you to here. If not, just go home and click on projects. Now we can see all the projects that we've created. We have our recent designs and then just all the designs down here that we've worked on. And so you can look through these, but any design or any project you want to delete, you can click the three dots and we can move it to the trash, just like that. And so we can also check mark multiple projects. And you can see at the bottom here, we can move them to a folder, or we can just move them to the trash, move to trash, just like that. And so that's how you can delete a project or multiple projects. The trash can is down here in the lower left, so we can click on that, and in 30 days, these will be automatically deleted, or if you want to permanently delete, then you can delete it from the trash or restore it, and if you accidentally deleted it, but this can't be undone. So once you delete this project, it can't be brought back. It will stay in your trash for 30 days and then delete permanently, but if you want to just get rid of it completely, you can just do that and then go to the trash and delete each of these. And I believe that you cannot do these multiple at a time, so you just have to go through and kind of delete them individually. It's a bit tedious if you want to do that, or just let them automatically be deleted. Either way, that's how you can delete projects here in Canva.